ihe o kwuru maka na asị ọgbala nkịtị kwere ekwe etu a nọ ebe a bụ Chinemelum bụ ihe nọ ebe a. First of all, abada gị na Chinemelum matara na online bụ TikTok a gịnị a na-agbawelu n'anyị wee bụrụ friend through your teaching. From your teaching ọ sị na ọ chọrọ ka gịnị a na-agbakwuo private, which is na ịdilect ya to gallant baby wee sị ya na ọ ga-akwụ ụgwọ fee, which is ọ kwụrụ 10,000 naira. Unu wee kpọbata ya na group chat. Mgbe unu kpọbatara ya na group chat ya nwa ihe niile a bidoro gaba. From there, as na onye fọrọ ma ọ mee fọrọ Chineke n'anya n'ofe iriri nọọ ya na mmadụ na-emekọ ihe ya na na-abụ wee na-akpa wee baa deep. And that woman duto na ọfụtara abada as ezigbo mmadụ ọ bụ, the woman were kpọpere ya obi ya wee kọrọ ya a lot of things na-eme n'ime ndụ ya, which is na ọ gara n'iru wee gwa ya sị that na ya bụ a widow and na ya bụkwa orphan, ya bụ enwe nna with a lot of things ọ kọrọ ya concerning ebe ọ nụrụ di na etu ndị be di esi were ma every damn thing ọ kọrọ abada everything onwe nke ọ haidere ya, and na o nwere onye ya nwere ga-ekwuri ya, and na 2 kids ya nwere na o nwere ebe ya kpọsara ha nọ na Anambra steeti ha na-enete the woman na America na-adịghị ọrụ ya easy ma ije ọlụ ma everything. Abada anwa tiri ọnụ wee sị ya ụmụazị anwa adịghị comfortable ebe ọ nọ, na ya kpọkọta ụmụazị anwa ya ga-eneti ya anya, which is na the woman si ya na ebe ụmụazị anwa nọdụkwa oke. Ọ sị ya na ya gwa ya si anya kpọta na ọmụmụ ọmaala nyanwa bụ abada ama abụrụ ya ihe ọjọọ na kpọta ji ụmụazị emekwa the debate megide ọ Chinemelum ụma ihe o jere ebe ụmụazị anwa na nya ama ihe ọ gwara fa wee kpọrọ ụmụazị anwa. Oke, mgbe ụmụazị anwa ejekwa ya kpọta ụmụazị anwa, ịma na abada gakwara n'iru wee gwa Chinemelum na onye idiri ije n'elu ụmụazị a, onye idiri ije eme ha test ka ọ maa na ihe ụmụazị anwa ji wee bụrụ nwaanyị na onweghị onye metụrụ ya aka, is accusing the family ebe ụmụazị anwa nọ, which is na Chinemelum gakwara n'iru je mee test na ọ bụ na ụmụazị wụ ọfụma. On the way ihe niile a na-agazi, Chinemelum were kpọrọ ụmụazị a wee kpọnye abada. Ọ gakwara n'iru wee gwa abada wee sị ya ego one ka ya ga na-enye gị every month. Abada gwara ya sị ya dat na ihe nwere nsogbu ego one ọbụla o nyere na ya ga-ewe nọọ ihe nwanne nwere ike imerụ nwanne ya, which is Chinemelum the first payment izizi Chinemelum kwụnyere is 500,000 naira. The second month ọ kwụnyere 400. The cheapest money Chinemelum kwụnyere is 400,000. Others 500, 600 wee gbadawazie. Gbakọọ ya for 9 months or 8 months ụmụazị a nọ n'aka abada. Okay, mgbe ụmụazị a nọrụ n'aka abada apụtalụ wee sị na ụmụazị a na-aghọ agwọ. Okay, mgbe ụmụazị a na-aghọ agwọ, kedu ihe bụ the cause? Kedu ihe melụnụ ụmụazị anwa ji were na-aghọ agwọ? You know, ọ bụ anakọta a na-eflame ghale nonsense na-ebupụta sị na ọka ewere a na-cover one thing in another. No. Okay, Chinemelum anwa n'agbanyeghị na ụmụ ya na ebe anwa, Chinemelum anwa na-aka nka all the bills n'ime Abada family Abada n'agbanyeghị na Chinemere na-ederiva that monthly housekeeper ọ na-esendịrị ha Abada na-abụ oje Shoprite ogobe chichicha ọkpọ Chinemere from US send the account ọgba transfer ụgwọ akwụkwọ ụmụazị anwa ọ Chinemere na-akwụ nke ụmụ Abada oke mgbe ihe ndị a niile na-aga Abada were kpọọ ya wee sị datina na ya chọrọ ịlụ n'obe die na ebe die na abụọ nata east nọ na moto ka ọ na-alalụ Chinemere m agakwara wee gwa ya sị datina na nyanwa na onwe ya enweghị ego ya enye kịta mana sọsọ ego dị kịta na nwa abụọ ego ụmụazị anya dobelu for fusion no ọsị anya jee ebe aga ọsị ya nọ na ya agaghị ewetenwu that money na ya ga-ewetenwu that money mana ihe mee na bụ na ebe ọ bụ na ọ dị etu a na ya ga-ebiterie the money which is na Chinemere ma mechara biterie that money send area n'agbanyeghịkwa ha no send Chinemere bitere that 20,000 send area 17,000 Abada agakwara n'iru wee sị ya Chinemere nwa m n'obi ya na-agwa ya na ọ bụghị ego na-anwa ibitelu m sendere m ka ibitelu ya gwa ya eziokwu which is na the woman mechara mụọ ya one kind na-amụ nzuzu emechie that matter wee gaba oke mgbe nya bụ ihe bidoziri lejiri o wee kwuwezie na social media Abada batara online wee kọba ihe niile ọkọcha ọ sị na-enwe explanation with Chinemere and na ọ mara ihe o nwere ike ime ya go to hell ya go and do the worst onye ji ego mmadụ ihe inweghị ị ga-eji aka na abụọ wee jide no and o dokwala gị anya that na the woman biri gị that money esi na ọ dachiri gị ya gee ka mmadụ Chineke kele eke ga-esi wee weta $17,000 even nne mụrụ gị ịmadata na o nwere ihe nne mụrụ gị imerie ga-adị ka ihe ọma nne gị melụ gị sọsọgoro that 9 months o megholie nọ na o wetara $17,000 send ala Abada ọ kwagharị ya ụzọ ọ na-ekuri ya nwa ya ka o ji wee dachi ya 17,000 ịmakwara o nwere akụkọ ọ ga-abịa ịkọ ọrụ nwaanyị isi anya akọrọ na di so mgbe ihe ndị a niile na-agazi anyị nọkwa na akwa anyị nwa nọ na dis app a anyị nwa na onwe anyị nọkwa ebe anụnwa na-ekwukwa Abada go and do the needful jee mee ihe ị kwesịrị ime kpọọ dis woman na fon ka gị na ya na-abụ ọkpa onye ji ụgwọ ma na ya ji ụgwọ ma ọnwa abịana kwuo ka gị na dis woman ga-esi welu mee ka gị na ya na-abụ ikwuo onye ị ga na-esi Abada emerie Abada dobela nwere pride tụkwasị aka o nwere ife na-emenụ and a na-ekwu nke o kwuru ọpụtakwa ọzọ okwukwa ọzọ ọ ya ka o ji wee gwa onwe ya na ihe abụọ bụ okwu akpụ n'ọnụ 2026 ịghọtago oke mgbe ihe niile a na-aga ọ sị na Prayer bịara Uyo bịa mee ya arrest mgbe Prayer bịara Uyo bịa mee ya arrest ọkwa ịtọ ọnụrụ kpọba ndị polisi ya na ya na-abụọ yi were bịa kidnapa ọkwa ịkpọbalụ polisi ya na ya na-abụọ yi were bịa kidnapa mana ha bịara wee sị gị datina nọọ polisi ka ha bụ ibido kpọwa ha kidnapa ma n'isi na ndị polisi ndị ya na ya na-abụọ yi were bịa sị gị n'ụlọ ka ha bịara ịchọ you're deceiving yourself and na-agbanyekwa na Abada jekwalụ na Uyo ahụkwa jee mee entry and ịma datina etu esi eme arrest na-abụghọ na steeti na ọbụ na ịkpọrọ mmadụ bịa the nearest police station dị ebe anwa ị ga-enyerịrị ihe eji ebe a jee mee report dị a na ihe bịara na steeti bịara ime ha nwa ga-enye gị head order kpọnye gị some police gị na ha na-abụọ ga-ayị were je the place ọ ihe o mere datin mgbe anọzi ebe a na-eme abada wee kpọọ ndị nke ọ bụrụ na o jere na the highest one wee jee mee entry ndị ahụ wee bịa kpọrọ Chinemelum nyanwa na onwe gaba ebe nke lokalụ ebe a kpọrọ ya etu a ka ha si wee separate ya onwe ọ lụkwaziri ebe a prewil lukwa ebe ahụ kwa welo kwukwa ka ihe niile si welu ga with evidence prewil ji and o jere n'ebe anwa ihe o dere ebe anwa bụ ndị na-eme na-ekwu nke nwere ekwu wee prewil Ijele Elfreda na Gentle G ndị o dere na petition n'Uyo ịghọtago so mgbe eluziela ebe ahụ wee fụzie ka ihe niile si aga wuti ndị polisi a na petition ahụ o dere ewelu dotulu anya na welu kọwara ndị polisi with evidence eji with everything ewee sị dat na oke ebe ọ bụ na ọ dịghị etu anụnwa na ha ewenigo aka ebe ọ bụ na ndị Enugu abịago ndị Enugu lụọ ọrụ ha and ịma na polisi na-alụkọta ọrụ because na ofu ihe ka ha niile na-emekọ etu a ka esi wee bụrụ abada wee gaba Enugu mgbe elukwalụ na Enugu ahụ kwa oke abada kerukwanụ ka ị ga-esi were kwụ ụgwọ ịkọwakwa ihe ka ọkọcha wee sị dat na onwere ego ị nwere di gị wee pụta sị gị dat na wee kwuo sị dat na o nwere ego ya nwere na ihe ya nwere bụ 5 million no 5 million ka o nwere 5 million out of 36 million naira ị na-eweta 5 million okay mgbe a nọkwa na-echekwa ka amarakwa ka a ga-esi welu mee ka amanụ ejikwa nwaanyị na-eche ka amanụ nwee ka o esi wee mee which is na many people pụta wee gwazie said that n'ebe ọ bụ na ọ dịghị etu a malụ some property nwere ike ile ka enwee ike isi ebe a welụla eze ego in part of that money anwa ebinyela abada ebe a ka o si wee jeje golo GLK new brand one agwazie ngwa moto n'one ahụ ị nwere na be gị bụrụ na ofuke ga-ale di ya wee sị datịna ya bụ ekadila na ọ bụrụ ya nwe moto na ekadila ibe ekadila mana irezitenwuho 10 million naira nke a were na-aga oke mgbe a nọzi n'ebe anwa niile welu na-ekwuzi okwu ego anwa ha nwa na onwe ha ada akọtazide akụkọ onwe dịka ha si ekwute okwu ihe gbasara ego a na di ya wee sị datị na ya ma egbu onwe na 5 million ka ya ji na o nwere ihe ya ma ya ga-eme na 5 million bụ ihe ya ma ya ga-akwụ na dị nọọ ihe ya ma ya ji kịta anụnwa na ya wee egbuo onwe ọ ya kpatara okwu a ji were baa kọt oke mgbe agbakwanụ kọt mgbe jọji jụkwa ya ego one ka ị ga-akwụ ọ sị datị na ihe ya na-akwụ bụ in a month bụ 200,000 in a month ọ ị na-eyi ya kwụọ 1 million after ka ya kwụrụ 5 million ọ ya ka jọji ji wee sị ya biko sekpọrọgodi eje dobe ebere na ọdụghọ serious abada nwa na-akọ ihe a ọ na-akọ na abada kedu jebe gị kedu naba gị taa ị na-akpọchi isi na ị na-akpọchi na-emelu m na fonu ka gị na ya na-abụ mee biznes ka ị gwa ya etu ị ga-esi were kwụọ ụgwọ ọchị na-emelu nke ị dị sọpoz ịkpọ ị maghị ebe unu mere dị biznes ị maghị ebe kesi gị nọ ị na-achọ ebe ibele ego ihe niile ahụ a na-ayọ gị ma esi ọkwa ya ka ịrịta ọnụrụ bak kịta na-achọ ka ime there is no room for that ịmara ebe anwa dị okwu nọ jekwa ebe anwa ga setụlụ that matter dia Efreda, go on.
Thank you so much, Saga. Thank you. Good evening. Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Saga, you've said all, honestly. But I will start with this. Every young girl, young lady, and every woman out there should find something doing. You need to get busy, get a skill, get a career, get a business. Nothing beats that, no matter how little. We are about humble beginning. Start from there, you will grow. Because when I look left and right about this young lady, what I see there is joblessness. I tell you for free. Now, for any reason, but the point is this: many people are living fake life on this media, deceiving the young adults who are growing on the best way of life, which is starting little, and let the lifter of men, who is God, lift you. It's a come to me what you have in your mind with your heart. Oh, okay. I don't think so.
Okay, in case. And when you check go get so the person would use my boss, yeah? Box a junior.
Okay.
All right.
You know, because most times when people are jobless, having a craving for some things, they will not understand the gravity of what they are craving for. Now, let me start from this woman who comes online, painting who she's not to young people, making them feel less of themselves or to no value. At the end of the day, I should not say that when you marry, it complements you. Si jebe wanyi the single, a widow, egi jalo di gono. It just egi yebi. They say no ki jime business, no ki jilo di gono. Na di gen we have on allow, no jalahu ni me moto. You want to build house for your husband, yoli gi. Enwere di iche nedu mana nke na anugo kachanko. Ya ka ị na-alụ ụlọ ụlọ ọbụla ego nwaanyị ajado isikwa ka ije bank ije bute ego, because ị ma na ije bank a ga-asị gị what do you have in your hands that when we look for you we do not see you, we are going to sell that thing or hold that thing. Now I break it down because of product here abido ị ma na nke $17,000 a bụ ihe mere ọ dị ka ndị mmadụ ama. Nwaanyị a na-eli as little as ọlụ mmiri. I have all the evidences. You come to her, connect with the host. Ibakuti I don't want you I say you quote 10,000 naira to join her group. You quote 10,000 naira. I say if you want to speak to her personally, they quote 30,000. You quote 30,000. You move over to another group. Ibazia nanka. Now, why woni nena abakute this woman? Bosi ndị otu ndị mmiri na-enye ha nsogbu onye nchogoro ijo. Now all the young girls niile na-abịakwute gị, they have marine problem. Nke bịakwute gị na ya alụrụ gị ọrụ ndị otu, anyị alụrụ gị ọrụ ndị mmiri, 250,000, 70,000. She will rate you according to your profile. This is not hearsay, age evidence. Ebe a na-akwụnyeli ụgwọ. Her full name, her bank account, her voice notes, chats, dates, time. So, any nabo maga ojobo, yana kweni bobo, olo ojobo. Onyo nwete olie your ponozo, onyo ozoko nwete olie. She has been eating people's money on this app. It's so unfortunate that catching a merembo nukwego. How about the man in America? She ate over how many million? More than 1 million naira. Your girlfriend there connects here to you. Ijezena azolo put the girl. Tinyo wegi. See go look at Samsung Fold 4. A lot of them. These things, the things we should applaud. I call bag it out. You went the F1 to Jilafa Igana Lose. Ijena Lose na abo. So more than 10 persons now this TikTok now see. What did they do to you, madam? Nana call you out of the evil in me. Of in me behind the scenes, people are complaining about. how you are deceiving the young girls, the way you lure them into your group, and at the back, you know, look at her. Somebody is coming to you now saying, "No, we cost you a daily and a business." It's another million years so. Now it's 250,000. Or saying no job 250,000. It's saying, "Okay, you have 50,000 in the area boy gogi." Now what is it 200,000? I don't understand. This is not your first time. This is not your second time. Ebia. Say na this, that. Mind you, egoni nechi na merem sendel. Oh, we had about narration then here. It's all stated loan. And from you people's charts, we come not send it, go say 5 million plus 2 million, 7 million cents. And when this case started, only you who put on a live stream where see no email ya membugi. We have the record. We have it. Only you put up a where see. Na mother na that's some mother ego pe kwana loku ego that ya no bulo otu a na nneti netele ụmụ ya na aga kwụ ụgwọ per hour madam on ekwu ya ka ọ na-ekwu ya only you put akwa jilo ọnụ gị kwuo na ọ na-akwụkwa ụgwọ monthly na the least money ọ na-egi is 300,000 abada ụgwọ akwụkwọ ụmụ ya dịkwa na ya already even a lot of things actually ikwu na this media but at the end of the day you are shooting yourself. A lot of things in one madu nechela anya si nka agabazie no ye mete na you know ko ufuo ndị nka ma gas egolu gị ma microwave egolu gị ma akwa na chinatalụ gị na ụmụ gị a lot of things ke nka ya ekwu hapụ ofu ke like what are we even going to talk about and ụgwọ akwụ ụmụ ị na-charge times 3 on ka aka na-ekwu maka ya Konkoya binokata epoya nka many things ili waya under the seat. All because the other berege omya ki inedoro haya which you are the one that suggested that. Onge suggested ya. On top of that, she was paying you every month. Taking care of your kids and everybody. And a woman can get America in a pursue Kapoka America. Even actually scores Genaka. Your problem here now say low the Asia. All with evidences. All with evidences. How you've been trying hard. Yapoka go do ina kwanya. Saga, I've said everything. You know, sometimes talking about you all the time is like it gives me headache because Holy Spirit is again. Ka going to talk where on the kaka be makaha. O mazi ya motaun. E say na Holy Spirit is again. Na gegwa ka going to talk where on kaka yoku. Kondin kia in a we ha go get shop handbag. Ha go look at you. Kondin kia nacho ka get flight tickets with all receipts. Like, where are we going to start from? At the end of the day, you know what you are doing. That is why you are also. Where just why now see one natural, one na oba. Because you know, Madam, I'll give you one advice this night. Go get a business. Many people in Siofaku, Ofegusi, and they're making money. Find something and do. That is how to encourage people who are looking up to you. Tell them they can start little and God will bless them. Instead of reading them and them mad wayo. Na aloha guy. Na aloha jobo. Kede na aloha jobo for. Ina je madu $17,000. Epoteba na kotu no jukwa wesigi. No need the one room. Na begi wa koti eziego. Ofu kwa gesi no dash. Ofu gikita no ojo so se no only the one room. So one room kita one room kita about $17,000. Is that what you're trying to let me know? Only you. For so yeah. Yala one of the same bed with you must be a begging. Only you. A lot of things actually on the media. Only you. I thought by now, you know, you would have amend your way, find a way to get that money and pay that young lady. She did a lot for you. Or lies on top of lies. But I'm so happy that the men I am the mother. Hafukwa na yoli could not be able to bail you. A choir going to 1 month. $17,000. And then if we said do your worst. Do your worst. No give me a woogie. No we have the video up with you. Up video yeah like TikTok eba. Only you said that. No mazia the possess. They allow faith and is so mazia. Up with you. Na hana wago. Imaku mean it bo mazia wago. I don't understand. So even hana wago when I know mahego every month. Na another mahego every month. Imagine no mazi and I wago. Where see I am where awareness abido. No yoli get over mad outside. I wear more go mazi. Are you seeing the scope? And I feel your ways are not pure. You're a liar. You deceive people a lot. What will you gain? What will you gain? In this now these two daughters, no digging her outside. I have the video personally. It was then can do on the phone. Same, this woman is lying. How can she say that no dear I told them bring evidence for me. They sent me the children's picture. I said, but that's not the only evidence I can, use. Bring more evidence. I've heard about this thing earlier this movement. And I told some of my Sheilas, I said, these two kids, Abromo, Yoli Abadamu, outside, here in our format. So that you get more clients, you will send them mother. Now they get a cheat outside. It's not enough reason for you to leave your marriage. Now they get more outside. No bro reason. Nangua, no but they get more these two daughters outside. But again, I had a biofuma. I am a uma as a widow, the beregi. Now I go work. You need to take care of. It's not gonna go hour. None is no bro even they want the basic education. At least, oh yeah, I'm going to go and come. Come on. And I could go per hour on top what? I don't understand. It's not I could go per check and balance. Now be a counterbalance. Oh, you know, social media. We have the videos. It's an apple we had in a beer, no one barrel in a certain day. We have the voice notes. Esi na obu na obero chila akwa umu ya na ị ga-asụ akwa ahụ ọkụ and onwere ya ọ ga-eme. Kedu ebe anyị ebido hapụ ibia? Where are we going to start from? And yet you still come here and you're telling your own side of the story, lying against this young girl. Why? And if we go and do also the girl has been spending gas a boy on a phone, or feel a gas. Nisi kataluni gas agugo umwage yelikwani hey ya baloge bajulugi gas mani wokwa yoli no and they polo nwegi an unlicensed marriage counselor. What are you teaching people? I pray for you this night that the Spirit of God will deliver you from whatever chain ne meginchi as it would receive your total deliverance and go and pay that money.
Amen.
Receive your deliverance and go and pay that money.
Amen.
Fake life. Ijishishi. And I watch you, George. You will call them. Kedi yenalo. Egola ukwo. You will scale. Come on. Ya na ekwu. Abia na ekwu ofu. Go to that page in the marina. Holeha. On the amaro your story. In the evidence. I have the evidences. You know. So, Saga, you've spoken well. Where yours I might we are here to debunk all you've said. Each one peg evidence enough. You know, we show you the evidences you see. If we melongi, they say background they will all see. Although if we back the second one will be very brutal. So simple. And you've not paid for your sin completely. Only job now. Both me and you. I don't have any personal issues with you, but what you are doing is bad. Umada is against you. The Mili is against you. Omenani would be against you. And Umazia, Agana Mili, a put in a Kujo Mili. Ndị ọbụla bịakwute to you, I hello all Mili. Voice note to me, all Mili. I'm not wonder how many people was this marine issue? Because one, how many people were marine issue? That's always in the Chukuda to Hata. Or your bona in a marine. Na ya alụgo ọlụ mmiri. Hey, ndị mmiri na-edisturb go. Alụgo ọlụ mmiri kịta enwela onwe gị. O nwere nke isi na ịlụọ ya ọlụ under 3 weeks o mụọ nwa. Eji m voice note ya. Ibu chukwu na-enye nwa. Ị na-enyekwuzi ma nwa. Na abịa dị na moto ba moto nwaanyị elugo ndị mmadụ ọjọbọ. Esi a na ịkpachara ekpere nwa ka na ụdị ọfụ just 3 years marriage. Some people decide that it's after 5 years of their marriage they will begin to produce. It's their choice. Just 3 years. They see an elo child before 3 weeks, she will take in. You know, when she sent me the evidence, yeah, I burst out. I was like, I don't understand. From where to where? So it's just so funny, honestly. Listen, Diego Wani Ajado. I will give you a little advice. Go back to the courts, organ and the government to Joku. You have a lawyer, let your lawyer contact her lawyer and pay your money in full. You know? Oh yeah, you know, before. Come, take me to court. Come and arrest me. I'm at home. And I'm not being arrested. I'm being broom. And I'm not being a job more. That's in Kadachi may go. Can the cases that you get good? I don't understand. $17,000. Did the beg no? You go give $2 million the color. Since you know for over 16 years, you go get $2 million the color. Kiwe effrontery simna tolato that she is $17,000. Like I can't even comprehend it. From where to where? At least then that you go there go, you know. Come on, you know put that she again for the dashing in her body. All of a sudden, you see say bia can make counterbalance. No one was safe for Jigo. Now by the time it take say go no jiggy. No ga no I want go per hour. No more than a picture give her. Me ji vessel in me melanka. Ina kosisi you go manka jogo manka joroki na ruji kwa ya ha if you go take your first aid ina go have ina koyeli ekolobada ijiwanya $17,000 according to the receipt Oji send the legal is showing loan Ijiogwo and the ego entered your account UBA bank Ijiogwo kon Ijiogwo yes or no simple.
What's the matter?
It's very simple. Okay, now you say you have the money. I am so glad I heard it. Make I'm not come messy. Right, I don't want money. Can't say you know go gibiko. Take I see me. Us no na chogi. What the guy called ya chogi? They block ya. My dear Jenna le gogi. It's very, very important. Biko. Can I put mind to go? I think he has something to say.
Alfreda, before my take, I want to ask you something. And I like the last notation that you made. Issue that you reach out to Chinemere to inform her that Abada has been looking for a way to pay her the money. Thank you for that. I would love you to do that. Now, one thing in Ipuriyeshi that what is coming for her again, that the Bobrut, any other plan to re-arrest her or to charge her again?
Thank you for that question. Even Abarato Nalosi and many other people, more than 10 persons here, Otula Nalosi. So the case is already with Anambra State government. So of course, anytime they call her, she go there and answer. Otula Madu Nalosi. You know. So, yeah, that is it. So she has a case pending on that side.
How many people got through Naroshi?
I think we're about, the one I can recall, foreign, Onyenewi, Pokribo, Adanambra, myself, or her for her. I think about 6 of us, or more than a mazim always in your mechakwa. But the yama go to 6, can they go to very short? You know, we're 6.
Oh, when did you pour from TikTok?
Okay, when did you
yeah, one girl maybe the one time.
Yes.
Then I join after that, I didn't see that girl video again.
Okay,
yeah.
10.
Many.
Okay, 10.
And they own the report.
My Gen 2G is so could serve.
Ewo, I can hold to na alụsị. And the alụsị otu like the Anambra, 2 alụsị, ofu na ọba, ofu na achala. You know? So
I'm sorry, because Imana Okwu Arosia were very big case in Anambra State, an agent here. Yeah, you want to go. So Rudo
open calls to serve. My case, I know not one day madu sue, you know, and they do another thing. So until the Okonya branches. Okonya branches
are on it right now.
Yeah,
so
because
on each indigenous sue.
And then Otinyena story, Otinyena story, my Facebook and TikTok, that she's a marriage counselor, and this is a lady just in her role in a prescribed Rome holiday. So
thank you so much, Diamond, for reminding me that one.
And I told you, I'm going away to only question injury at that time. Okweli sister, Iota, Okweli the next thing about to. Iota, Okweli asked, "Oh, can see Adrian, Opia, or make that same thing." I don't understand the reason why any one checker, Okwela cost Adojo, or such a way, or what to the next for form of my immigration, you go. People knows what they are doing. And Hannah like once you don't buy that their lights they're blowing, Iota. You won't have and then again, but I'm on the camera, and they would come here, and down here, Tilia power. And then, how many of them in a prison, Jeffia? How many of them? How many of them talk about Lego? Ego make half Patagodi, can you look at the act because I'm going at least the money was intact. They're always good at Eputa, Bob and after Havana, and Amelia was in the eye service. Undita wicked in the eye service. Wouldn't be a push the one we all these things to be the awful and we are here in our Manda in our and that yan in a online. We are not supposed to. We are not supposed to in our colon can I think Marihine, who Marifina, Akuzi, in our agency, digital footprint in the Igbo social media. No one you were 5% with HIV. Married women, Igbo 90% of Igbo women, and 90% of Igbo women.
95%. You call on car, guy, you call on car, educated, goes. That keep Walashi. Then can up when you get that one on, can I crack it in a like Amanda, thank you. What I like in Rezo, that is her problem. Yeah, but we from immigration agree. What I like it, she doesn't like it to make us hey, for this one. What's your Kena Koreaka? What's your when they say, HIV, let's see again with HIV. Una got an open no my una marry banana dent digital footprint in the was you hope. Una marry here. Do the calculation. Check is there over 90% of Igbo, 5% of Igbo women with HIV. Even the entire Igbo men are going to HIV. You none of no ya kana hey I'm a warrior hey on a post. And they tell power on other unknown. And so everybody knows what they're doing at the end of the day. Oh my can develop the shallow mind. You are that the dark now by all the lights on a blue no. Okay, okay, I'm talking all of a sudden. Since I age about Okabana African TikToker, Mande Patayaba, Hamabu and Otiaba no. What they're going to tell you damage control. Comezia, credibility, how long we are now. Macandina Waja, one daughter analysis, Waja, one dollar, because I'm with victims and the evidence is there. So could let him wear branches.
But you know when you're attached to err is woman, to forgive is divine. I know a lot of people are hurt. I realize that. And they, according to Ian Afraid of Korea, that means they want a lot of petition too, that is awaits Bada because of what happened, which I'm not really aware of the whole thing. But afraid they want him try to and when I'm naming your own group that you're leading. And when Baba Daje Putana, the own become from the depth of her heart. She will become no Baharaya. Car Yaru show me, Koga Boop take her back to retrieve all her footsteps. No way could you Chobia go retrieve everything, yo gibi Korio, everybody. No, Onaga Bahara. And Freda. Fred, I'll meet you.
Okay, yeah. I'm with you until I'm here.
Yeah.
And the thing there is this, yeah. Carlos here, I go too far, you know. And therefore, there's a down. Boy, to forgiveness, yeah, you have forgive because why you know na di jomo for? Gago na labor room, one wapota, where the mind. Bulu monyo ozo jenu kwa alose nwanya na agadi alose na nimo iwe jenu kwa alose na abo one in Oba, one in Achala we je two more than 10 persons na alose. Think about it.
See, and I'm trying to about. Yeah, I don't know whether you've been following me or you may not. Emane webe about to be moralos. Emane one kempo ga court. Ngwa ga roshole atoro muna. Enwe onye na ochi marine. Ochi na atoro na 21 places na rosh. Totapa bara mebo. I can see repetition against it today. But I chose not to because I'm naru saying welike. When your hands are clean, when your hands are pure, also go digi ato again more. The other day, I didn't follow my program. And when 2 persons, one was Makadora, and the Gabe Benaja was saying it here. Each of me play the video. Anyway, let me play the video so you will see. Imagine that ga winchi doctor na saba. Eba ka bom ga we ihe dị ndụ sacrifice ya ka egbuo mu. Do you know that? I didn't take it. But that thing is a very big crime in Anambra State. So Ruda na-eji egwu. I think I read one article that Ruda she emana na atoro gna aroshe that gibute the law now how many years imprisonment, something like that. I know all these things. It's a wicked act. I'm not here to support it at all. I forbid it. I despise it. It's something that is an eyesore. You want to go? Now, the thing is, everybody in a quagmire position. Onyo wula nature. Mogama today, but they believe Runayami. I don't believe in that bullshit. It's wrong. It's wrong. It is wrong. Ashigi no onu kuose. Ga go se no se ne. No se na fofo. Ga no ku olubo. Ga go olubo no olubo ne ilu. But one thing for sure, today, Freda, I'm na Abada, SNTC Abada now to 10 to 15 years, you got be happy. Abada went homage. All of us that mothers, we have kids. I remember when I was arrested in Nigeria, people were feeling for my children. Despite they are in their good hands, but when a mother is there, it means a lot. They have no more America. All my siblings are here. And when we any immediate family in Nigeria, we are all blues. But Ashi, when the Gishwano is a dove. OMG Joga Jujua. I'm everybody did very hot. Abadame Mia, I will hate her. But will I wish her to die? I won't. Pikonu. And when Babadageji way to pride.
Mommy, can I talk?
Biko, you can talk. Biko, you can. Biko, warn all your people. Abada, if Abada, it takes Abada to start kneeling because Ibaru in Anambra State was a very big deal. And it be a line and Biko.
Yeah, Mebona.
Biko.
Abada do not owe me an apology. And I'm not also sure she owes My Sheila is an apology too. But here is the two persons about that owes an apology.
Okay.
About that apology to Oma Daibon Opujo.
Okay.
One,
Okay.
he owes an apology to the spirit what on or those young girls, innocent girls, Saga. Two, when she pleases these two people, they know how to handle us in the spiritual realm. It's simple. If not, I mean, let her carry her cross at the end of the day.
Okay, man, on the option now, and I know you can talk to your people. You can be cool. Abada has made a lot of mistakes, including all of us. And when they make Igbo mad, when they make when there are ways we made mistakes. Become. Afraid the hook on your jaw. Just that when him mad.
Who enters to give personal? Can I ask?
No, don't.
I've been following you. Okay, I've been following you even I'm beginning Oyobodo Meganke. You can remember when we do chat on WhatsApp.
Yes.
When we one thing, see. I knew that you will be. Mana, Kyojabo, or your Sokowan care, tata. Or take your dear Konya be game, or Bapute Ziegi, Ibuzie the mouse speak like Ibuzoyega Yotaroya High, or Ibuzilin Nea Veg Maria, Yota Zelia, because I've been noticing this. Hamewe everybody. When I come up here, ask them the problem this woman were abo any other thing. Oh, pride. When this woman put on is see, Adam sorry. She started ranting, no way do your worst, do this and do that and do this when you know that they have evidence. No, the answer, the question is this, okay. Why you have a make or tassa the ten how put the Ziegi sorry you are high yo?
Sinachi.
Yeah, I can talk it, Sam.
Sinachi, my brother.
No, I said no Jimwa. What they made it no maha no Jimwa. Oh, Jimwa.
No. Where's your marriage? So come Sanagi. Oh, Sinachima. Hold on. Akwai man onye ọla nwere ego like n'imepe this app na create a page enwere ndị na-ahụ gị as their god and for some points you will not like them to see your weak points mgbe ahụ a na-adọ gị gaa na-ekoro ha na-enwe ihe na-eme it's normal is in honor in all of us as we women enwere ndị ga na-abịa asị gị mommy ha abada power daddy ha power you know that kind of a thing. They are the one giving you that energy. Until reality sinking, all of us, we are like that. Oh, when you heat today, I'm a hold the heat of the moment. I understand everything. If it's a you better go to the platform, 5 people in here looking, I die where you die. Power. You will be carried away. Oh, you may a lot of us done. Only when such big audience. You know, people, we have a stream about 2 or 3 or 500 people are watching now. So, Bikonu, let us apply a little bit. Cool of heart, Bikonu.
Okay, now.
Osinachi, because you go to mosque, only you put your back since you got the mighty.
Okay, thank you so much, brother. Antoge. Thank you so much for giving me this audience. On invitation, I can like on about I was born from Eba, like I was like, okay, now it's making sense. I can
I gotta forgive you.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Man, did they make peace in that?
I told me, I'm not saying now for you. I told me, I'm not saying now for you.
Hey, she like a vela, because I told you, Bieba, he didn't make peace.
Udela kanona edu Kana Modo. Until they taste the bitter part of reality. Oh, taste Hannah, then hey, we start talking about how to forgive. Until I have not tasted the reality of life. She's still saying, no, you watch, you're not gonna marry machine this night. Are you watching, yeah? Yeah, what you how can I marry machine? Now, Bali, as I'm talking to you now. Until allow her to face reality. But then we will gather here to say, please let go. That is how it is. Oh, you know, I'm going to hear. Okay, my brother, because when
Mighty, go on, brother Mighty.
Yes.
Thank you. So, play will no way he's my brother.
okay.
All these things, Megano. I borrow my social media one.
Okay, my brother, come.
I'm just a side person listening and giving my own contribution. I ain't trying Western world,
Yes.
you know. And I want to hear about. I want to hear me on and I ain't trying go. There are sins that are forgivable and sins that are not forgivable. I just wear penance. I will start with Saga Kola Kahini me, a Fred Alco, Diamond for everybody is paying. Of money on your black, but they are no. And it's not a good reputation. It's not a good reputation. Okay, a man here, Megide, one on your game when you put the ibe. Onye ga-enwe onye na-ekwuru ya n'ọkwa n'elu ya kwechiri na ịbụ eze onye agwala gị till now she is not even feeling remorseful ka o si pụta ọ chọdị mma and so yet okay, when I was listening to her, I overheard something that she wants to talk to Chinemere. Why now? There was a lot of options, there was a lot of chances, but she felt like, okay, man, we are nikakaya. Because she don't know what face her, like, and what does he get me at tomorrow or next tomorrow. Nobody is praying for death. Nobody is praying for something bad for her. But why do people like deadlines? Like Gilly Jelle now and Jelle man. I'm not in support of her. I'm not in support of her. So she faced the every damn thing. This girl makes sure that she keeps up to it. The little trust someone you betrayed her. We are in the Western world. When he get me, like, and when he, okay, for instance, you didn't buy a ticket for a train. Okay, ma'am.
When it's saying there are consequences in the Western world.
Yeah.
You know that again on actually in the Western world again Melia.
For example,
sorry. Actually now, even in the Western world swinging. Swinging.
I'm here already. I'm in the system already.
He get merely swinging with the one eloralo.
No.
That is the thing. You cannot compare the way we were brought up, the nature, the foundation in how to learn how to go, learn how to forgive and leave the rest. So when you want to give example, okay now, Maggie do yogi without uninvited.
Okay. I've done that before.
Imene, your
Yes.
brother.
Yes.
Do you log in without invite? Yeah, the Kishiala.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
I want to like.
No,
Okay.
my brother. No, my brother. In Western world, they got no kata like this. Mwagi ru 18 years. Gishia Brumbongwe Apo. No rule. Nige Melia.
That's the system.
Okay, now. We don't function like that in Igbo land.
Okay, ma'am.
We are people that have conscience. We are people that follow the way we were brought up. We are people that tell a foundation that we value our families. And when you get so the way we were brought up, the kind of training now let me tell you something.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashim get that reality sinking in. That it started making sense to you.
Yeah.
Now the thing is clearing on Abada's level. As Abada is in in front.
Exactly.
She does not know what is ahead of her. Or been called Yaga. Abababuria. Go to Anambra State where I had giant and on so become I'm still staying the same.
The thing is still simple. Like I know too much because my dad na okucha or say in noro again subie
No, somebody if you forgive her, she would sign undertaking.
But she's not willing to.
Then listen now, if she's not willing to sign undertaking on all these things, by then ain't an option to take because people will say you will do this again or we know you. Oh, somebody bring you open for undertaking.
Mommy, can I tell you something? Imana, this woman na court, there was a lot of options for her to pay this money back. She defied everything. She was like, okay, because of when I got resting and when I couldn't
my brother, I'm going to see reality is sinking there. And when I'm bound up on another prison, that's when reality starts sinking in. I just want to what time
Yes, I'm
and when would they be right? Everywhere you could hear it right. But imagine now what you mother takes another part of the world or word. If Abada is willing to adjust, to mellow down, to fix this, to at least in their rooms to correct some things, then not just there. Then you guys can continue to do whatever you guys want to do. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, of
you
course.
guys now will continue to say, okay, let us do it our way. But when you go in that room,
okay. As it stands now, we don't have any issue with her. The only thing there is that us now, thank God that she came across to your page and she respected coming to your page. And I respect that. So the thing there, since Nosna actually equal and now or the willing equal are complete because Chinemere on her own, she don't want to take any part payment anymore.
Okay. Fair enough.
Over her dead body that she will never take any
Fair
part.
enough. Mm-hmm.
And with what I know, court sitting or the file or she was not present in court sitting 2 times, and which is an very big offense.
Oh, after that, we may see the court.
Yes. So
And she didn't show up.
yes, and more to come again, and she's not even willing to come, and it's like
But now, will you guys withdraw the case finally?
like I said before,
Okay.
I want to hear I the only thing Okugwa complete
Okay.
as girls wished.
Okay.
Okugwa mmadụ gwa ya complete.
Okay.
Ọ gabara onwe ya.
Okay.
I want to hear na ji.
Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I know some of
the thing there now, is she willing to cooperate? Because
cooperate in what aspect?
Like in what I am.
That's what I'm saying. Now leave that for her to make up that mind. She said, "I'm going to remember we take the full money. We take the full money.
Yes.
And we see the ones that is arguable and the ones that you can say, okay, because when you just that huge amount of money that will not know that you are willing to do this. That's why I say, bring good in case of Untina, there. Yaruma, we go borrow. Yaruma, when one property I get for this thing to be over, that will be fine. But I don't know that you guys are ready to give second chance. Because, but that will tell her this money in bank. Nana, let bygone be bygone. And they cause on case. I don't know, I'm afraid that I know part of them are watching here. And some of them have watched it. Listening to what I've about that Pico, I am giving you a sisterly advice. When he jin so bueno. Or the imangan so wuna no ya the very bad unga. Only in a choky in a peace with yash over her dead body. But these people are giving you second chance to make peace. When there is rooms to make peace, you comply and do it. Or would there some evil ones to Shimbao? I'm not ready to withdraw anything. What I want you to do, that's the devil one. Okay, then get what you say. But under they're ready to let some certain things go. Or may hear the time. Because badan try because when you hear no ya no get you for that thing. You got the experience. So him worry because I hope she has.
I told you because when Charity Okulugi,
Okay.
can she only hear my brother big mouth? Big mighty. Only you Okulu boss no no bro no okwu na anya na na be nwa ezu okwu. Mana ihe na-achọ ka mgbazie ya n'obodo atina. Big mouth, you are not the person that have a case with your father. You are saying your own mind.
Saga, she is speaking on behalf of that person. Yana bada woroku. Abe nonga yeku na yana ya wanne. Yana play wheel. Na yana play with one. And the way that this big mighty is saying all these things, that means he has been in communication with these foes. Because Saga, allow peace to have room. Because
Amua asem na peace ama abata.
Saga,
Who am I?
to find a way to tell oh, this morning for a room to make adjustment to other things. Because
I know,
Exactly. Saga one.
Saga, ya nwetego
oge ọkwụ ụgwọ ji
Can I talk?
ọmara ụmụ nwaanyị niile ọ kparịrị ọpụta bịa ya anyị mgbagharị
okay,
mana ọ na-akpọpọ tins ịghọtago ọpụta bịa ya anyị mgbagharị na-akwụgodo ụgwọ o ji mana mụwa na-agwa unu abada gara akwụ ụgwọ ahụ abada nwee pride nye nwe ịpụta ebe a today bụ mmadụ
I don't want to. In on guy here when I be ready to pay that money. When of here,
na mmadụ si wee gbagote ebe a ọ bụrụ chidi bụ ihe dogote bie n'elu ebe a abada nọkịta abịa ebe a
no, but that no katara bomb be here. No, they talk like that.
Saga.
You see,
Ono ọbụla o si bịa anyị achọrọ ịma.
Anti oge chelu ihe anyị na-ekwu ọ ga-agbaghalụkwa abada o mana ọ ga-ekwetegodi na o mere ihe ọjọọ ọ ga-akwụ ụgwọ
O kwetego
ọmara ọrụ ọjọọ niile ọ na-arụ ọkwụsị ya
Kemgbe iji join the program nne. Ready to pay the money in full. She said it here.
O kwetego na o ji ụgwọ.
O kwetego na ọ na-egakwu ya.
O kwetego.
Wọtọfụ ndị ọtụkwanụ n'alụsị ụmụaka ọtụchakwa
ka anyị na-ekwunu na akụgodi this morning nke jigodere pụọ kọta apụọ. Then achọzi how to resolve those ones. Is it not what we are saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Ịma ọ dịka ọ nọrọ ọ dịka ya nwe ya nọrọ mgbe ịma na ndị mma maka okwu a bụ cheka okwu a na-ekwu since February. Ịghọta. So ọ dọnwe ndị ka na-abata you know. So like tomorrow now, a lot of people will still ask questions. Gịnị ka emetere ebe ahụ?
Big mind to go on.
Until because I want to hear them to because and another thing in this social media I share on here. You know, the genesis of anything. Don't just jump into something that you don't know about. What am I saying? God blessing. I don't have any beef with him in particular. I don't know him from Genesis. And because Atram yeah, he is no longer like saying it anymore. But let it be a note of warning to him. Yeah, because all those were near Nemecha. He even insulted me for one day. Up at the play wheel. And when he got off Barrier Moa. But like Masaga neighbor. So that one in particular, like insult a meramo Kanumnobi and thank God that your platform will ever may open up everything.
Okay, my brother,
because I don't want to do like him
because a big mighty because you want big mighty if you big mighty
Okay, you're too much. You know you're
on behalf